Hi, my name is Dr. Lisa Murphy-Goes. I'm a senior lecturer and director of the Meteorology program at the University of Miami, Rosenstiel School of Marine, Atmospheric, and Earth Sciences. When you hear meteorology, you might picture your local weather forecaster. But the field goes beyond your hometown's daily weather report. Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere. It includes everything from climate and climate variability to weather forecasting, cloud and precipitation physics, tropical dynamics, and severe weather. At the Rosenstiel School, our Bachelor of Science in Meteorology, which follows the rigorous standards of the American Meteorological Society, prepares students to understand and predict atmospheric behavior by exploring the physical processes that drive it, using computer models, satellite data, and advanced observational tools. And what better place to study the atmosphere than right here in Miami? Our dynamic subtropical coastal city offers unique fieldwork opportunities to study real-time weather systems and climate processes in the very environment that surrounds us. Classes are small, about 12 students, and our faculty are engaged in active research initiatives, exploring topics like climate dynamics and prediction, cloud and aerosol processes, aerosol chemistry, tropical meteorology and hurricanes, and more. The program includes a built-in minor in mathematics. Many meteorology students opt to double major in fields such as mathematics, marine science, or broadcast journalism. Experiential courses are designed to provide students with the tools needed to forecast extratropical and tropical weather and communicate the weather on UMTV. You can talk about your options with your academic advisor after enrolling. This degree program is an excellent choice for students who intend to follow up with graduate studies in atmospheric science, or those who plan to pursue a technical career in government agencies, private industry, or research institutions. If you're curious about how our atmosphere works and passionate about furthering our understanding of it, this is the place to be. I look forward to seeing your application soon and welcoming you into the program. And don't forget, it's all about the you.